Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix an Unarc.Dynamic link library DLL error when you try to install games. So if you encounter this error is done an Unarc error mostly related to the installation of PC game as well as program of large size. Large games or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC RAM as well as hard drive while installation. If your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So in order to fix it, you can try this method. You can try to increase your page file for our virtual memory. You can try to access it by hold Windows key and R key. In order to open run command box, and you can type sysdm.cpl. Here we go. You can now you are in system properties. Click advanced and click performance settings, and again click advanced and click change virtual memory. Untick the box, and here we go. You can click custom size and fill the blank here, initial size and maximum size. So you need to fill it. You need to increase this based on your RAM on your PC or on your laptop. For example, for most games 2.5 GB is enough. So the value which will work in most cases is 403,000. Note that the values are in megabytes, so they set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. And then after that you can restart your PC and reinstall the game or program. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.